were asked to simplify by using the distributive property and combining like terms. The distributive property is shown below, where we have A times the quantity B plus C equals A times B plus A times C, where we say we distributed the A, which is often referred to as multiplication, across addition. Again, A times the quantity B plus C is equal to A times B plus A times C. Looking at the first example, we have negative 5 times the quantity 5x plus 3. We begin by distributing the negative 5, and because we have a sum of two terms in the parentheses, we will have two products. This is equal to negative 5 times 5x plus negative 5 times 3. And now we determine the products. Negative 5 times 5x equals negative 25x. Then we have plus negative 5 times 3 is equal to negative 15. Instead of writing plus negative 15, it's more common just to write minus 15. We enter negative 25x minus 15. Next we have negative 8 times the quantity negative 6w squared minus 9w plus 2. Notice inside the parentheses we have a sum or difference of three terms, which means when we distribute, we will have three products. 1, 2, and 3. This is equal to negative 8 times negative 6w squared. And then because we have a minus here, we have minus negative 8 times 9w. And then plus negative 8 times 2. Simplifying, negative 8 times negative 6w squared is equal to positive 48w squared. And then we have minus negative 8 times 9w is going to be minus negative 72w. Subtracting a negative is the same as adding a positive. This simplifies to plus 72w. And then we have plus negative 8 times 2, which is plus negative 16, or just minus 16. We enter 48w squared plus 72w minus 16. Next we have negative, or the opposite of, negative t squared plus 6t minus 7. To simplify using distribution, we can include a factor of 1 here, and then think of distributing negative 1. So we'll have 1, 2, 3 products when we distribute negative 1. This is equal to negative 1 times negative t squared plus negative 1 times 6t, and then minus negative 1 times 7. And now we determine the products. Negative 1 times negative t squared is equal to positive t squared. And then we have plus negative 1 times 6t, which would be plus negative 6t or minus 6t. And then we have minus negative 1 times 7, which should be minus negative 7 or plus 7. This simplifies to t squared minus 6t plus 7. Now if we go back and think of this as the opposite of negative t squared plus 6t minus 7, we would change the sign of each term inside the parentheses, which notice is the result. The result is positive t squared minus 6t plus 7. And now for the last example, we have 5/8 times the quantity 1/3 x plus 1/4. We distribute 5/8, which means we'll have two products, 1 and 2. This is equal to 5/8 times 1/3 x plus 5/8 times 1/4. Before multiplying, notice how there are no common factors other than 1 between the numerator and denominator, and therefore we can multiply, knowing the product will not simplify. 5/8 times 1/3 x is equal to 5/24 x. And then we have plus 5/8 times 1/4 is equal to 5/32. So we enter 5/24 x plus 5/32. I hope you found this helpful.